You all know that educational kids' toys generate amazing sales, whether on Etsy or even on Amazon. And today, I promise you, if you watch this video until the very end, you'll be able to start this business selling educational kids' toys in a way that will absolutely blow your mind, right from home, and it won't cost you a single dollar to get started. Now, if we go directly to Etsy and search for Kid Wooden Puzzle, you'll immediately find tons of incredible puzzle products making huge sales every single day. And at the same time, there's extremely high demand from moms, because any product that helps children learn while having fun usually performs really well. That's the exciting part. But now you're probably asking me, do I need to buy these toys first and then resell them? And the answer is very simple. No, you don't need to buy anything at all. Just keep watching this video until the end, and you'll fully understand how this entire process works. This specific puzzle really caught my attention because the idea behind it is honestly genius. It's basically a wooden puzzle, but at the same time, it includes an image that the child colors first before assembling the puzzle pieces. So the child gets to enjoy the coloring activity first, and then afterward, they can take apart the puzzle and rebuild it over and over again. And you already know that coloring pages for kids generate crazy sales online, so combining coloring with puzzles creates an incredibly engaging product for children. Now, the big question becomes, how do we create something like this and sell it ourselves? And by the way, competition for this type of product is very low. Honestly, it's almost non-existent. Yet the demand is high because there simply aren't many sellers offering products like this right now. So first, we're going to head over to the amazing platform called PrintKK. This is honestly one of my favorite print-on-demand platforms because they offer a huge variety of products at very good prices. The quality is excellent, and they also have warehouses in the United States, which means shipping can happen within 48 hours. That's one of the reasons why this platform is one of the best options to work with. And of course, you'll find the link down in the description and also in the pinned comment, so make sure to check that out and follow along with me. Now let's go directly to the products section. You'll see almost every product you can imagine, from clothing to home decor to accessories and so much more. All we need to do is go to the search bar and type in puzzle, and instantly you'll find tons of puzzle options. Large puzzles, small puzzles, all kinds of styles. I even found a puzzle with 1,000 pieces, which honestly amazed me because that could become an incredible product idea for adults as well. Another product that really stood out to me was the building blocks option. There are several variations available, but for this example, I'm going to choose this last product right here. And what's really cool is that you can actually watch a real product video directly on PrintKK. They provide detailed descriptions and videos for almost every product, which makes the process so much easier. Now, before we start designing anything, we need to fully understand the product dimensions and specifications. So if we scroll down a little bit, you'll find a very detailed description of the product along with all the sizing information. For example, this product is 6 inches by 6 inches, and they also tell you that the image you upload should be at least 150 dpi so the final print quality looks sharp and professional. Now I'm going to click on Start Design. Once you open it, you'll immediately see the product preview along with ready-made mockups. And the moment you upload your design, it will instantly appear on the product preview in real time. Over here, you'll also see all the important product details like pricing, size information, and more. On the left side, you'll find the Upload section, which is exactly what we'll use to upload our final design. We're going to prepare our design first and then upload it directly to the platform. You'll also notice there's a library section where all your uploaded designs are stored. And yes, technically, you can design directly inside PrintKK using their built-in tools and templates. But personally, I always prefer designing in a dedicated design platform like Canva because it gives me much more flexibility and control over the final result. So for example, now let's move directly into Canva and create our design. We're going to make a brand new design with dimensions set to 6 by 6 inches. And honestly, this part is super easy, my friend. Let's say you want to create a puzzle around a specific animal and sell it online. All we need to do is head over to the Elements section and search for Cartoon Animal. Instantly, Canva will show you tons of amazing graphics and illustrations. Then all you have to do is choose the image you like the most, the one you think people would actually buy, and simply resize it like this so it fits perfectly on the page. But remember, the main idea behind this puzzle is that we want the child to color the image first before using it as a puzzle. So instead of using only colorful images, we're also going to add black and white outline versions that kids can color themselves. How do we do that? Very simple. This time, go back to the search bar and search for Animal Outline, and you'll find so many beautiful outline illustrations that are perfect for this kind of product. For example, this crocodile image looks really fun and cheerful, so I'm going to place it onto the page. And let's say I also want to add a lion image. I'll place that on the page too, resize it, and center it like this. You can honestly add any images you want. This part depends completely on your creativity. And trust me, you can create and sell a lot of these designs, my friend. Now that we've finished the design so easily, the next step is simply downloading the design from Canva. Then we'll head directly back over to PrintKK. From there, all we need to do is go to the Upload section and upload the images we just created in Canva. Now let's upload the colorful giraffe image first and see how it looks on the puzzle. Just click on the image once, and it will automatically be added to the product instantly. Look at the mock-up now. This is honestly so fun and satisfying to watch. I personally love this puzzle design already, and I'm sure kids are going to love it too. This is where I really want you to get creative and make your designs stand out from everyone else. Now let's go back to the upload section one more time and upload the black and white versions so children can color them before assembling the puzzle. I'm going to click on the lion design, and wow, look at how beautiful this looks on the final product. I'm honestly confident that moms will love this type of design because it's unique and completely outside the typical competition. And now, let's test the crocodile version too. You'll see that it also looks amazing. So now, the child can first color the crocodile or the lion, and then afterward, take apart the puzzle and rebuild it again and again while having fun and learning at the same time. And here's another really cool feature. If we click on Download Mockup, the website automatically generates professional mockups for your products. You can instantly download them and use them on social media platforms to promote your products and start getting more sales. And now, if we want to sell this product on our online store, whether that's Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or anywhere else, all we have to do is click on Publish to Store. Then the platform will ask you to connect your online store. Once you click Connect, it takes you to this page where you can link all your stores and marketplaces with just one click. For example, if we choose Etsy, all you need to do is log into your Etsy account right here, and PrintKK will automatically connect your store and publish your product directly for you. The process is honestly very easy. And the really amazing thing about PrintKK is that it also includes some incredibly powerful design tools. If we go back to the main dashboard, you'll notice there are built-in AI tools specifically made to help with designing products faster and easier. For example, if we click on the AI image section, we can literally create custom designs with just one click using artificial intelligence. All you have to do is describe the image you want, choose the dimensions for your design, click Generate, and the AI will create the artwork for you automatically. And honestly, that alone can save you hours of work. But it doesn't stop there, because you can also use the bulk design feature to generate multiple designs at the same time. Imagine how fast you could scale your store when you're creating many products in just a few minutes. And there's also another powerful tool called Design Maker. With this feature, You can fully customize and design your products exactly the way you want. You can create products completely from your imagination, build your own brand, and sell unique products that stand out from the competition. Honestly, this platform is really fun to use, and I personally liked it a lot. It makes the entire process simple, beginner-friendly, and extremely powerful at the same time. You'll find the link down in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself right now. Start creating the exact product I showed you in this video, and I'm confident you can start getting some really good sales with it. I truly hope you learned something valuable from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.